Hi there, students. Sibling. Accountable noun. Siblings. Okay, siblings or a sibling is a brother or a sister. Okay, so how many siblings do you have? How many brothers and sisters? Okay, so I've got 2 brothers and 1 sister. I've got 3 siblings. He doesn't have any siblings. Yeah, all of my siblings are younger than me. Okay, so it's a good word to say brothers and sisters, but without defining whether they're male or female. Okay, let's see. I think more technically, siblings are people who share, or two or more people who share a parent. Yeah, I think they only need to share one parent. I'm not so sure about this. I think a parent is the person who looks after the kids. It doesn't matter who they were born by. Yeah, so siblings. I think siblings, children that grow up together. Yeah, so very often there is sibling rivalry. Yeah, between different brothers and sisters. There was always great sibling rivalry between the 2 brothers. Yeah, there was always competition and argument between them. Sibling rivalry is a very common thing. Now, notice you can use this word sibling to mean more, to mean 2 or more things that have a common tie or common characteristics. So you could have a Ford Focus and its sibling, the Ford Fiesta. Or maybe it's a bigger sibling, a Ford Galaxy. Okay, so they're siblings. It's like brothers and sisters. Yeah. Okay. I studied chemistry. I didn't study its sibling subjects, biology and physics, for example. Okay, so if you talk about siblings, you can also say 2 things that are connected. They have something in common. Yeah, they have a common characteristic. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. He plays for the team, and his sibling members of the team, yeah, the other members of the team, they have some sort of common link, yeah, and we're using it like brother or sister. Sibling's quite good because it avoids sex, so it's politically correct, yeah. I guess BP is an oil company and Shell is a sibling oil company. So is Texaco and other things. Yeah. Okay. So a sibling, a brother or a sister, children that grew up together. Yeah. Sibling rivalry. Okay. So how many siblings do you have? Yeah. None of my siblings have got married yet. Okay, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5. I think you could use it informally, but it's a touch on the more formal side. I think, though, use it anywhere. Okay? Sibling, definitely. And then as to origin, okay, there's an Old English word sibling meaning a relative, a relation, a kinsman. Yeah. From Middle English, sib or sibber, a kinsman or a relative, somebody who belongs to your family. Yeah. And it just meant a relative until it was until they started to use this word in the study of genetics, and after that sibling just was a brother or a sister. Yeah, because if you're talking about genetics, the genes of brothers or sisters, the genes of siblings are something that you need to study. So a sibling, a brother or a sister, a sibling company, a company that is connected in some way, has some similar characteristics. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sibling rivalry, siblings.